So you are building out your home garage and looking at power tools. You see the half-inch drive impact wrench and wonder, is this thing actually necessary? Or is it just total overkill for a DIYer? Let us get right to it. A half-inch impact wrench is the absolute heavy hitter of the garage. It is not for delicate work, and it is definitely not for putting your plastic engine cover back on. This tool is designed for one main thing: breaking loose, stubborn, heavily rusted, or high-torque fasteners that laugh at your standard hand tools. Think lug nuts. If you are doing tire rotations on a truck or an SUV, a half-inch impact takes them off in seconds without you breaking a sweat or jumping up and down on a breaker bar. It is also your best friend for heavy suspension work. Axle nuts, lower control arm bolts, and rusted strut mounts take massive amounts of torque to remove. A half-inch impact delivers hundreds of foot-pounds of breakaway torque directly to the fastener to bust it loose. But here is the catch. You have to be incredibly careful when putting things back together. These tools have so much raw power that if you use them to tighten smaller bolts, you will snap the head right off or strip the threads completely out of the block. For reassembly, you usually want to snug things down by hand or use a much smaller tool, then finish with a proper torque wrench to hit the exact manufacturer specification. So, do you actually need one? If you only do light maintenance like oil changes, spark plugs, or interior work, you can probably skip it, stick to a smaller 3/8 drive for that stuff. But if you are diving into brakes, suspension upgrades, or heavy tearing down, a half-inch impact wrench will save you hours of frustration and will definitely save your knuckles from getting smashed.